Hi, children. Before we go towards today's topic, let us see a small recap on previous sessions. So, what did we see in previous sessions? So, we saw the characteristics of living and non living things. So, till now, we have seen 6 characteristics of living things and non living things. The first one is living thing can breathe. Living thing need food. Living things can grow. Living things can move. Living things can feel. And the last one which we have seen is living things can reproduce. On the other hand, when we saw all these living thing characters, living things cannot breathe, they doesn't need food, they cannot grow, and they will not move, and they cannot feel, and they cannot reproduce. So till now we have seen 6 characteristics of living things and non-living things. Now we are going to see the last characteristics of living thing and non-living thing. Our last characteristic of living thing and non-living thing is living things die. So what is living things die? See, all living things, when we born, we will grow, and when we get old, absolutely in one another day, we will all will die. So only living things have the characteristic. So now we are going to see furthermore about living things can die. So when we read about this topic, we can find a special term called lifespan. So what is lifespan? Lifespan. See, lifespan is nothing but a period of time in which the living things will stay alive. For example, I give you an example. You have seen a mosquito which is going around you. So in one point of time, when it comes and starts sucking your blood, what you will do? You will pat on the mosquito and it will die. So that is called the living thing die. So the time in which the living thing is alive is called as lifespan. For you, I have shown an plant example here. See, when we put a seed, the plant will grow and it will reproduce. Reproduce means through its seeds, the other new plant will grow. In one and other day, ultimately, the plant will die. So this is the total lifespan of a plant. So likewise, all living things has its own lifespan. There is another example where an insect called mayfly. So this insect will live only for few days, and sometimes it will live only for few seconds, minutes, hours. It's totally depend upon the mayfly. And when we take human beings, we have an average lifespan of 70 years. So from baby till we grow older, this time period is called as a lifespan. So on the other hand, if you see non-living things doesn't have any lifespan. Hence, they will not die. For example, if you take your chair, do they have any lifespan? No. It will be with us for many years and years until we put it outside as it gets older. If we put outside, until we put outside, it will not die. So, none of the non living things doesn't have a lifespan and it will not die. Since we have completed all the 7 characteristics of living and non-living things, I am going to give you a short recall on what are the characteristics we have seen on living thing as well as on non-living thing. So when we take living things can breathe, non-living things cannot breathe. Living things need food and non-living things doesn't need food. Living things can grow and non-living things cannot grow. Living things will move from one place to another place and non-living thing will not move until we push or pull them. Living things can reproduce whereas non-living things cannot reproduce. At last, the living things will die, non-living things do not die. Children, shall we all start our word wall session today? So, what is the first word? Living, living. Things, things. Non, living, living, non-living things. Things, things. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Gills, gills, gills. Spiracles, spiracles, spiracles. Stomata, stomata, stomata. Photosynthesis, do you remember this word? Hope so. Photosynthesis, photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? It is the process in which the plants will prepare their own food. Very good. Potted plant, potted, potted plant, plant, plant. Antennae, antennae, antennae. Touch me not, touchmenot, touch me not. Did you all see the video of Touch Me Not plant that day? Hope you enjoy that video. Reproduce, reproduce, reproduce. Birth, birth, birth. Lifespan, life, span, span, lifespan. Children, this is a single word, so don't break and write. Okay? Lifespan is a single word. Period. 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 Alive. 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 Alive.